Ever feel like you're constantly battling with your weight no matter what diet you try? It's a familiar struggle, isn't it? The yo-yo effect of dieting, the challenge of commitment, and the frustration of not seeing results can be disheartening. But what if there's a different approach to weight loss you haven't tried yet? Enter the foot diet, a unique approach to weight loss that might change your life. This intriguing method revolves around mindful eating and movement. Each step you take, quite literally, contributes to your calorie burn. It's not about restriction, but balance. By focusing on the foods you love, in moderation, and coupling it with an increased step count, you're setting yourself on a path to a healthier lifestyle. The foot diet is all about making small, sustainable changes. Imagine a diet that doesn't restrict your food but encourages mindful eating instead. Ready to give the foot diet a shot? Here's how to get started. First, recognize your hunger cues. Eat when you're genuinely hungry, not just when you're bored or stressed. Second, practice portion control. Use your foot as a guide. Your protein should be the size of your foot, your carbs the size of your fist. Lastly, engage in mindful eating. Savor each bite, eat slowly, and listen to your body. Remember, the foot diet isn't about restriction, it's about understanding your body and its needs. So, why wait any longer? Embrace the foot diet and embark on your weight loss journey today. It's a chance to experience the potential benefits of this unique approach and transform your relationship with food. Take the first step towards your weight loss journey. Try the foot diet today. Your body will thank you.